Here is the source of our strength, where steel meets craftsman. We are specialized in the manufacturing of sheet metal equipment. Our company was located at Bowang District, Ma'anshan City. Today, let's take a tour to our factory. Everything starts with high-quality raw materials. We carefully select steel plates, and every item undergoes strict inspection. Large gantry film machine breaks down the steel plates into parts based on the joining. Experienced welder ensure every weld is strong and durable. Worker polish the welding spots to make the surface smoothly. Heat treatment to eliminate welding stress, degreasing, and other processes. Behind of the power machine is the experience and wisdom of craftsmen. The hydraulic system and the electrical control units are integrated into the solid body. From assembly to strict testing, every detail is perfect. You can see that the entire second floor is our office area. The sales department is between us and the customers. We listen to customers' needs and provide customers solutions. From a piece of steel plate into an industrial machine, it embodies technology, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of high quality.